Wow, it's not bent. Well, it's a little bent over here. So let's see what's inside. It looks like a watch. Wow, that looks beautiful. This is the Vostok Komandirskie. So we're going to be wearing it for a while and we'll find out if it's any good. Okay, so I used an ice pick to add a little hole there because that's not one of the original holes. The original hole was all these right here, from here to here, so I added that hole right there so I can now use it. Let me put it on. Very nice. So this is not a clicky one like the other watches. This one goes in either direction and it doesn't click. Okay, so now we're going to try to do a lume test. We are at my garage. So we're going to go in there. We're just going to charge it up a little under the sunlight and we're going to close the door and see what kind of lume this watch has. Okay, so let's go in. Nice. I'm impressed. Alright guys, so this is how the Vostok Komandirskie looks on a cloudy day. It's a very cloudy day. So we're going to look at it right now with a cloudy day. And then I'm going to switch the day to sunshine. And we're going to see how it looks in the sunshine. Okay, so now let's do some magic and let's turn the day, this cloudy, ugly day, let's turn it into a bright sunshine. Okay, so let's go for a walk with the Vostok Komandirskie. So anyway, this is how it looks in the sun. It does look beautiful, although I wouldn't consider it like a field watch. So, but it does look elegant, and I have had people comment me about it because it's so shiny. So it does look very nice. And this watch, I believe it was designed in the 1960s, and it hasn't been changed much since then. The only difference between the old era watch and the new era watch is that the old era watch had a writing on the bottom that said "Made in Soviet Union," something like that, "Made in the Soviet Union," USSR. And this one says "Made in Russia." So that's the only difference, but everything else is the same. Nothing's changed. So it's been, let's see, it's been almost 60 years. Almost 60 years since they first made this watch, and they haven't changed anything other than that writing that says, that used to say "Made in Soviet Union," and now it says "Made in Russia." And that's it. Everything else is the same. So that's pretty cool, because I can't think of anything that was made in the 1960s and it's still being made today exactly the same without any modification. Can't think of anything. Well, there are some drinks and foods, and there are the actual recipe hasn't changed, but the container has, and some of the other things have, the logo has, but on this watch everything is the same. So that's pretty cool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.